Hello viewers, today I'll tell you how to add thumbnails to your shorts. Thumbnails are crucial because they grab attention and give a quick idea of the video's content. You can't add thumbnails to short the same way you can with normal videos, so I'm here to tell you how you can add perfect thumbnails to your shorts. I'm going to be showing you how to add thumbnails to shorts from computers and mobile devices. Let's get started. First, prepare your short. I'm going to be preparing a short from one of my recent videos on how to clean junk files from a Windows 10 computer. This video was quite easy to turn into a short because all I did was use the crop tool and everything else was done. Now I'm done preparing my short, then put your thumbnail at the end of your short video. After that, export your project. By the way, you can't add thumbnails to shorts on PC, so transfer the video to your phone to upload shorts with thumbnails. Now, I am going to show you me adding the thumbnail from my phone. All you have to do is add your thumbnail at the end of the short, but make it small if you don't want people to see it for more than what is required. I'm using CapCut, but feel free to use any mobile editing software you want. I am reusing the same video I edited on my computer, so you don't have to watch me edit an entire video again. After you're done, export the video. Now, open YouTube and tap on plus icon. Tap on your video. Select Done. Then tap on the check mark and then tap Next. Here, you'll see an edit button on top of your short video. Tap on it, select the thumbnail you added at the end. Then tap on Done. Add details and upload your short. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.